With tropical systems, your location does matter when it comes to what kind of effects you'll see from the storm and what kind of damage you can expect. You may hear us say something about the dirty side of the storm. So what is that and why is it different? The dirty side of a storm refers to the area of a hurricane or tropical system where you'll find the highest winds, highest storm surge, and the greatest tornado threat. So what kind of storm is that? Well, generally it's the northeast side of the storm, or more simply put, the right side of the storm. But it also depends on which direction the storm is moving. If it travels in a northern direction, the dirty side will be more on the direct right-hand or eastern side. If the storm is traveling in a more western direction, the dirty side will be more on top of the northern side. So what makes it so dirty? It's all about the wind direction and a little math. For example, if a storm is moving north at 30 miles an hour and has a wind speed of 100 miles an hour, then the storm will produce winds of 130 miles per hour on the right dirty side, while on the left side, winds move in the opposite direction of the storm's movement, so they'll be slower at 70 miles per hour. It's important to remember, though, as a storm grows stronger, every side becomes dangerous.